Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of my trading signals. Today is the 22nd of September. So, we got basically a green day for gold, basically going up non-stop since the start of the day and the start of the week. This is what the gold lines represent, the yellow lines. Okay. They are basically the start of every week. And as you can see, gold has been going up non-stop, non-stop. The worst week was possibly the last one, where it was actually trending in range around the 18 and basically some hours of the 19th of September. But that day was actually a catalyst for the uptrend that continued all the way until the 21 of September, and now again on the 22. If we go back to the prediction that I had for gold these days, for example, 19 was going to be a very volatile day. We had no clear trend. Anything could happen on that day. This is why it's going to be very crucial to look at the indicator that I have to actually give us a trend. And the 21 was going to be full on green day, okay, a full uptrend. So again, we just saw the 19th of September was a green day. The 22, let's try to measure this. So around here, and this is where it ends, kind of. Yeah, this is where it ends. So it was kind of in range that day, but a small uptrend nonetheless. So we got these predictions right. So 22, 23, we were expecting a massive correction, especially around the 22. And that really didn't happen right now. I mean, it could change in the next very few hours left for the day, but it's very, very unlikely. So far we got another green day around to the highest position, almost 1.60%. So not bad. The prediction for the week was a green week for the past week, so kinda in range because of the yellow outline. That's what we saw. It was actually trending in range around the 18th of September. But the final 2 days of the week basically covered the full green week. And this one is also supposed to be another green week. So gold is possibly going to be going even higher than now. Now, there are some very interesting stuff that I want to show you. Right now, it's the 1 hour time frame. If we go to 4 hours, you'll see that the trend is still bullish, even though we have this massive red candle right now. Okay, it's still bullish. If we go to, for example, 6 hour, we can see the same, it's bullish. If we go to 12 hours, it's also bullish. But if we go to 1 day, this is where things get interesting. It's on bearish mode, actually. We really don't see any let's bring the other indicators that I have. So this is another indicator. It's for other kind of signals, but you get basically the same idea. Corrections for these 2 days, but around this day everything changed, and especially around this day 22 today, basically. Okay, so it's right there. It's a change of trend. It's on a bullish trend right there. But the other model, the one that I use the most, it still has it on the bearish trend. So maybe something is going to happen in this week. Maybe something is going to happen around this week because for gold to have all 4 weeks consecutive green, non-stop, full uptrends, that's kind of very hard. I mean, it's doable, of course, but for some reason I think it's going to change. So maybe this week will bring some surprises. And if I were to say, we need to be very careful around the especially 26, 28 days, and possibly around the last day, the 30th of September. But maybe things could start heating up around basically as early as tomorrow and possibly on the 24th. Okay, so we need to be careful because this could bring an anomaly. The fact that the 1 day chart is still bearish, whereas basically all other trends are bullish, is very, very weird to say the least. At least for me, maybe not for you. On the 2 day, we got full bullish. So one day was very rare. Something really happened that day, something really crazy. So that's what we can see, and that's what we can expect for the coming days. Again, especially pay attention to the volatility that we will see around the 25, 26. 26 is going to be an especially very volatile day, and maybe around the last days, especially if I were to say 29 is the most likely candidate. That's basically all I have for you guys, okay? That's basically all I have for you. Like, share, and subscribe for all the work, and I'll see you guys next time.